Hi, this is Keith Farrell with Keith Farrell Associates. Today we wanted to talk about flood insurance and how that affects you as a consumer and a homeowner. Now, a lot of people would say if I'm not on a lake or the ocean or the Gulf or something body of water, I probably don't need it. So they would be thinking that. And then we also have to factor in there that there is a deficit running in the federal government the last few years, and they've been looking for ways to generate resources and limit their losses. Now, many people say, or at least I understand, that for a lot of years they have not it hasn't been a deficit for flood insurance. The money they've collected has been enough. Well, unfortunately, we had a few storms in different areas, and a lot of the FEMA money was depleted. So with that said, they were looking for ways to, fill this coffer and to be safe in the future. Now, where should I have flood insurance? Now, I strongly recommend it, because even if you're not in an area that has been historically considered a flood zone, we never know. We have noticed different parts of the country have had storms. Beavers have blocked, dammed up small streams. They've turned into rivers and they've overflown. So areas that haven't had a problem for a long time have experienced some issues. Now, what does it cost me? Now, if flood insurance is not a mandatory issue, I can only tell you about our area, and you'd want to talk to your insurance professional. But in our area, it might run $300–400 if it's not a mandatory. If it's mandatory, it could be $500, $1,000, $2,000 or $3,000. Question is, will it go up? More than likely, yes, because they need to be able to balance this out over the whole country and be safe, so that when and if these disasters happen, I guess it's not if, it's when, they have the money to cover. Now, a lot of people think that your regular homeowner's insurance policy will cover this. It does not. The only people that can issue these policies are the federal government. Now, most insurance companies will facilitate that and handle the process for you, but you don't have to have your flood insurance at the same company that you have homeowners insurance. Probably is easier. I don't sell insurance, but this is something I've experienced, and I'm aware of this firsthand. Now, the things that determine the cost are the age of the home, the elevation of the property, what's the likelihood of it flooding. Now, there are people who have actuarial charts, and they can explain that to you. You can talk to your insurance agent, and they will go over that with you. Again, I would strongly recommend that you have flood insurance, and be prepared, and call your real estate professional or your attorney for more advice, or your insurance company. It's Keith Farrell, Keith Farrell Associates. Have a great day.